remember that the last part is ending on an E here with finger 2. From there, we're going to reach over to an A right here. Look for the 3 black notes, and the A is right between the black notes that are most to the right, these two. Okay, so from here, we're going to travel down to here. Now, if you happen to know how to play an A minor scale in your right hand, this will be very easy for you. If not, don't worry, I'm going to go through it note by note. Okay, so we start with our thumb or finger 1 on the A, finger 2 on the B, finger 3 on the C. Okay, that's the beginning of an A minor scale. A, B, C. Finger 1, 2, 3. Okay. From there, A, B, C, we're going to cross under with our thumb to the D. So we have A, B, C, cross under, D. So we have A, B, C, cross under, D. And then we're going to finish out 1 octave of the A minor scale with finger 2 on the E, 3 on the F, 4 on the G, 5. So again, we have A, B, C, cross under with your thumb, D, E, F, G, A. Again, 1, 2, 3, cross under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that a little quicker. Okay, and that's just an A minor scale. Now we're just going to add the correct rhythm. So we have, notice the pause on the first note. We hold and then finish out the scale. Okay, from there, we're going to come back down. 4, 3, 2, 1. So again, we go 1, 2, 3, cross under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's play it with the correct rhythm. Now, if we were just playing an A minor scale going up and down, we would cross over and use finger number 3 on the C. However, in this song, it's a little nicer to, instead of playing this C with finger 3, we're going to cross over just a little more and use finger 4 instead. Okay, so we have cross over and play the C with finger number 4, and then keep going until we hit this G. So we have A, B, C, cross under, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, cross over, finger 4, C, B, A, G, and hold. Okay, so once again, and now from here, we're going to repeat exactly the same thing. By the same thing, I mean the same pattern. Notice we wound up on a G this time instead of back on the A. That's because we crossed over and used finger number 4 instead of finger number 3. So we wound up 1 extra note to the left, right? So we have A, B, C, cross under, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, cross over finger 4, C, B, A, and now we end up on the G. And now we're going to go back up and down again, and the next time we're going to end up 1 note even further to the left on the F. Okay, watch what happens when we do this starting with the G, the same pattern. G, A, B, cross under to the C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, cross over finger number 4 again, B, A, G, F, and now we're on the F. And we're going to do that a total of 4 times, up and down the keyboard 4 times. Let's see how that looks. And we're going to end on this D for today. Okay, once again. First time. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. And stop on the D. Last time with the finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So remember that the left hand ends with our pinky or finger 5 on a C. From there, we're going to use finger number 2 to play an F. Okay, that's it. Just an F with finger number 2. Now from the F, we're going to come back to this C here with our thumb. So F, down 1, 2, 3 notes, F to C. And at the same time we play that C, we're going to play an F with finger number 4 over here. So from this F, we're going to play C and F. From here to there. And then to the E with fingers 5 and 1. Okay, again. Okay. There are going to be lots of rests in the left hand. So we're going to have F and then rest, and then C and F to C and E, and then rest. Now, during this rest is a good opportunity to switch the pinky here, or finger 5 on the E, to finger 4 on the E. Okay, so we're going to have F with finger 2, rest, C and F with finger 4 on the F, to C and E with finger 5 on the E, pause, and while we're pausing, switch to finger 4 on the E. So then the next time we play it, we're going to go C and E again, and then to C and D with finger 5 on the D. Okay, so we have F, C and F, C and E, C and E, C and D, and then again, now's a good time to switch finger 4 to the D. And this time when we play that D, we're going to play a B with our thumb or finger 1 instead of the C. And then we're going to play C's in octaves. So again, F, C and F, C and E, pause, switch fingers, C and E, C and D, pause, switch fingers, D and B, 2 C's. Okay, let's do that all again. F, C and F, C and E, switch fingers, C and E, C and D, switch fingers, B and D, C and C. And then from the 2 C's, we're going to play that C again with the pinky, but this time with an E with finger number 3. And from there, we're going to play an F and an A with fingers 2 and 1. So C and E to F and A. Okay, so once again, we have F, C and F, C and E, switch fingers, C and E, C and D, switch fingers, B and D, C and C, C and E, F and A. Okay, let's do the whole left hand one more time. Okay, now let's put both hands together. Remember that the right hand is starting on this A, while the left hand simultaneously plays this F. So we have A and F, then B, C, and release the F. So we have okay, again, we're going to play the A and the F, then play B, C while holding the F, and then release the F. And then when we play the D here, we're going to play the C and F with the left hand. So again, we have and then when we hit the G, we go to the C and E. So again, and the pattern's the same here. When we go to the C, we're going to hit the next note. Okay, so we have and then we're going to repeat the same pattern. And again. Okay, so notice how the left hand timing is identical every single time. Let's go through it again. Left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand. So let's go through it again nice and slow, paying attention to when the left hand comes in. Okay, let's do it again a little quicker. Okay, now let's play the whole thing from the beginning of the song up until what we just learned. One more time, a little faster.